Welcome, loves to meet up channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me. It's finally time to do a full get ready with me. This is a makeup look we're aiming for. And in case you're interested, please stay tuned and let's get started. I'm going to do real quick my routine. I have 4 products, basic products that I do every single time. Toner, Nivea lotion, aftershave lotion, sun cream, and my MAC Prep and Prime primer. Let's put them on. Okay, my face is well hydrated. Now we're moving to my second step, foundation. This is going to be tinted hydrator from Wet n Wild. Obsessing over this cool foundation. Highly recommend this product. But unfortunately, they don't have a nice shade range. Talked about this in my review. But if you can squeeze your complexion into those shades they're offering, great. My complexion is a little bit lighter. This one is more orangey. It's still not extremely visible when you're done with your makeup look. I use my brush. You can go with your fingers. At this point, I'm not using my beauty blender. I'm going to my beauty blender a little bit later. Let's move to my concealer. This is Essence, and it's given the same shade as my complexion. That's why I'm using this for my forehead, nose, chin, and on the sides. Let's go to my beauty blender and blend out this concealer. And finally, this is L.A.Girl Pro Concealer that I'm going in underneath my eyes. For my sides, I'm going with a cream product. This is my cream palette, and this shade is the perfect one for me to use on the sides. You can use this color first and then apply concealer, or you can go with your concealer first and then do the creams. For my forehead, I'm going to skip this routine because I use some bronzer. For now, this is good. And then finally, we're going to set my face with a setting powder or with a press-in powder, whatever you have, guys. I love how TikTokers are making such a fuss from showing you guys how certain powders are mattifying your skin, and wow, basically every single powder is mattifying your skin. It doesn't have to be a specific powder. And finally, it's turn to do my powders on top. I'm gonna real quick do the sculptor and getting this on top of my bronzer. Get this on the sides. With this type of brush, it's an angle brush, sort of vigorously blending out the sculptor. And I'm gonna stop where the tip of the nose is, because for this part of my nose, I'm using bronzer. A little bit over my nose. A couple more steps. It's September and I want to switch from bright pink color to a little bit orangey. This is coral shade. I have my angle brush. I'm gonna tap it off and place this beautiful blush on top. And of course, over the tip of the nose. And last but not least, for now, is for powders. We're using a little bit of MUA Makeup Academy highlighter. You can go with absolutely any highlighter. Placing this on top of my previous blush. For forehead, nose, and a little bit on top of my chin, just with leftovers. Finally, let's set his face with the Fix and Spray. This one is from Essence, some leftovers. Lightly dab with a beauty blender, and on top I'll do my cream blush for Makeup Revolution, going back to the same palette. Let's use this beautiful color on top. You can add a little bit of highlighter optionally. This is cream highlighter. While the creams are on and they're a little bit wet, I'm going with the same highlighter on top. I'm going to show you real quick how I do my brows. This is my step 3 brow routine. I will outline the shape of my brow, fill this in with the same brow pencil, use my brow mascara, and add a little bit of brow pencil on top to create fluffiness for my brows. Okay, my brows are on, my foundation is on, and it's time to do my eyes. It's going to be a really simple makeup look, eye makeup look, and one of my favorite colors is going to be involved. This is BH Studio Pro Ultimate Neutrals Shadow Palette. And I will start with primer. This is my NYX primer. I have the worst pain in my mouth. This is not for sensitive people, but this red mark is actually a small wound. This is super uncomfortable and painful. And I use some cream, dental cream. Try not to eat a lot. I try to eat and just swallow there and try to drink without touching the wound. But literally, I'm not in the best mood and position to do anything because I have some headache. I guess maybe it's because of weather. Maybe it's because of this wound. Maybe it's because Monday. Okay, I'm gonna start with soft beige color. I'm gonna tap it off and set my lid first. I'm not complaining about this wand, I'm just sharing the experience. Next step is a flat brush that I will wet with a beauty blender. Oh, and this gorgeous lavender color. Highly recommend wet brush for this look. Let's cover my eye just in case. Transfer those shimmers. I'm packing the color on top of the lid and then creating a small V shape. Nothing dramatic, guys. It's just a little bit in the outer corner. And when I'm done, I will choose a little bit different color, but I was leaning towards some cool tone, my pan brush. A combination. Let's do a combination. A little bit of this color, a little bit of that color. Mixing them together. I'm gonna tap it off and finally get these two over my crease. I'll go with a little bit different fluffy brush and use the first shades for this makeup look. And I'm doing circular motions. I want to go with the same shimmers again. And finally, in the inner corner, I'm doing rosy pink color. Tap it off. Place it in the inner corner, maybe a little bit over brow bone. Okay, and finally, we're almost done. I will do a little bit of the same cool tone rounds. Tap off and place over the lower lid. Last but not least, I'll do my black eyeliner. Okay, guys, frankly speaking, I tried my best to create an even eyeliner in the inner corner, but it is what it is. We're practicing and learning together. I'm gonna do my lip combination. I have my Velvet Matte Lawnwear Liquid Lip. This is from MUA Makeup Academy, and it has a little bit of this beautiful, kind of like a purple-ish undertone. And I will place it all over my lip. Ooh, love this color. I have my lip pencil. By the way, this is from MUA Makeup Academy as well. I'm gonna do a little bit of Sephora lipstick first in the center, pink color, and I have my lip brush. And on top, Marc Jacobs. Now we're gonna do an outfit together, and I'm gonna be right back in a sec. I will put on my tube jeans and a crop top. I have a beautiful flower that I want to place, like maybe here. I'll do my belt, my pretty watch. I would do this black earrings, one of my favorite loafers, and this cute gold ring. That is really cold outside. I'm gonna do on top this jacket. And finally, my bag. Well, guys, and this is the final result of a get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. And yeah, it took me a long time to get here and film today's tutorial because of the whole thing, situation that is happening right here, and the pain, you know. Guys, I needed this time. That's why I couldn't film earlier, and it's a little bit dark, and that's why you probably cannot see my outfit at a daylight. I'm sorry, guys. Just, we are working with what we have right now. I hope I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you all guys so much, and until the next time, bye-bye.